warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student. Okay, today we have a new topic. It's about analytical exposition, ya. Jadi topik kali ini adalah analytical exposition. Yesterday we have discussed a little bit, about what is analytical exposition. Jadi kemarin kita sudah mendiskusikan sedikit tentang apa itu analytical exposition, So I have given you question and you have answered it in Google Classroom, and today I'm going to give you explanation about what is it actually analytical exposition. Okay, let's see this presentation. Look at this picture. When you see this picture, what comes in your mind? Bagaimana menurut kalian tentang gambar ini? What do you think about this picture? Is it good or is it bad? Okay, just think on your mind. Let's see next picture. Wow. This one is a boy eating so much French fries and burgers. What do you think? Is it healthy or not? Good or bad? Bagus nggak nih kalau kebiasaannya seperti ini? Let's think. And let's see the next picture. Now, this is very popular in our environment when people on the table, they are eating but they are busy with their own gadgets. Jadi banyak yang berkumpul tapi sibuk dengan gadgetnya masing-masing. So, what do you think about this habit? Is it good or bad habit? Okay. Now, this one is we're going to talk about the analytical exposition, and the topic is about this issue. Jadi gambar-gambar ini menunjukkan isu-isu yang sering terjadi di keseharian kita, Nah, nanti kita akan membahas salah satunya. Okay, is it good or is it bad? That we will convey our idea, jadi tentang opini kita about an issue, tentang sebuah masalah. Okay, let's next. So this is for grade 11. The goal of this teaching and learning process is menentukan fungsi sosial dan struktur teks eksposisi. Tapi untuk kali ini kita hanya akan bertujuan untuk menentukan fungsi sosialnya saja, just the social function of analytical exposition. Okay. Now you have to work in group. One group consists of about 5 students. I will give the groups in Google Classroom. So you have to work with your friends. The list I will give in Google Classroom. Okay. And this is I will give a little bit review. Ibu akan memberikan sedikit ulasan yang kemarin kita diskusikan di Google Classroom. Analytical exposition is a type of spoken or written text. Jadi teks yang tertulis maupun itu secara verbal atau secara speaking yang menjelaskan that elaborates writer's idea, tentang ide penulis, and about phenomena that occurs in daily life. Jadi menjelaskan atau menggambarkan ide penulis tentang isu-isu atau fenomena yang terjadi di kehidupan sehari-hari. That's an analytical exposition. Okay. Nah, and the social function we have already discussed about this. Kita sudah diskusikan ini, Tujuannya adalah to persuade the readers that there is a case to concern. Jadi untuk membujuk pembaca bahwa ada suatu masalah nih yang harus kita perhatikan ya. To persuade the readers that there is a case to concern. Now this is the example of the text. Ini contoh teksnya. Silakan kalian baca dan di screenshot ya untuk kalian latihan di rumah. So now we're going to practice pronunciation only on the bold words. Jadi kita akan latihan hanya di huruf yang bercetak tebal saja ya. Oke, ikuti yang ibu katakan. Please repeat what I say. Nowadays, become, activity, occasion, all the time, popular, 1940, started, reason, highly, answer, product, self-life, consistency, enhance, healthy, furthermore, damage, aspartame, weight issue, other, absolutely, hunger. Okay, great. You did a good job. Yeah, you have to practice it at home, and this is for your assignment. Tugas kalian nanti di rumah adalah membaca teks ini, kemudian direkam ya dengan pronunciation yang baik, kemudian dikirimkan ke Google Classroom ya. Untuk tugas pronunciation ini untuk masing-masing siswa. So you have to record this ya. And upload in Google Classroom. This is a task for every student. Yeah, one student, one recording. Very good. Okay, let's next. Yeah, you have already done this. Now this is a question. There are 5 questions after you read the text. Yeah. You have to discuss this with your friends in your group. Ya, silakan bekerja di grup kalian. Kemudian menjawab pertanyaan ini dan hasilnya nanti di-upload di Google Classroom. Jadi ini tugas kelompok ya. This is for group work. Okay, don't forget to screenshot these questions. Good. So, yeah, that is the purpose of the analytical text, is to persuade the reader that fast food is not good for our health. Ya, jadi kalau di teks ini intinya adalah untuk membujuk siswa, membujuk pembaca bahwa fast food itu tidak bagus untuk kesehatan. Ya, so it should be pay attention. Jadi harus diperhatikan. Ya, okay, thank you. You're doing a good job. That's the learning for today, and I hope you always enjoy your study. Don't forget to do your work, record the text ya, jadi rekaman sambil membaca, and then the second is the answer 5 question. It is for group work, itu untuk tugas grup ya. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.